But this is all not we want. We want the culprit to be hanged till death. So for this, we must protest. Because we want justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi.
La soda ke gathering long lepot la social media bang penle kachisong ang tong mate arti patulo na kuyal la titik si government tum tame nang chini poli tum along non kuanta kachisong bang king ton telang kula bang so alam thebang hala tum nang chini pen arti bang ke dopo Kadom kaching honjir pujo pidoan pini bangke ilitum ako sikjita putak jethan pon iglo na ilitum kaddo ko beta chichini lo ilitum kaching hon det Sumila Ronghangpi labang so putak ilitum kecheng pen non pu anta nang chisong bom bang bom lo non anta justice bang elong rek ra puson lo lasi ilitum kecheng pen non pu an ni ing koi an so selo non puanta justice bangke pang ikrang sona pilong yepan bangke kasi nono bangke la sodak bangke ako kachisong ta ington thukok nang nak lapso lo hala pandemic kajok gidaring long le penajok kachisong bangke ington kok nang nak sono kasi pinila bang so ala marjana long li jesemet at happy gara puson lo kachuningri jesemet kachinghon youtubers doan la penke social media active muchot tek muchot tum anaphan kachuningri inut bhani intellectual tek muchot abang kubang phitum amethang individual kachisong dun mate rd kipidun lamarjan kachiselam pondodu kasi labang so alamarjan itum bang ke ako puthot ki upload pidun lapuson kachisong rd kipidun aphan ilitum bang kela puson upload pidun nang ilitum youtubers tum an lapen kela social media obe kimie tum ana bang ke lasi lalo ilitum kachisong bang ke ingtonang ne ilitum laktong nang ne kachisong bang ke lasi this is the only way pero nili jongjung ga matha bang ke ilitum non la soda ke gathering long le pot la social media bang penle kachisong ang tong mate arti patulo na kuyalo non nilitame tek muchot bang pu tu malam kaning je pon pangrum pon do asi la puson sinili tame upload bompo la puson yalo social media long talo non youtube song tame la puson si upload bompo yalo asi kachesong bang ilitum bang ke ang tong na pen ke arti bang ke pado bom nang itu la titik si government tum tame nang chini poli tum along non kuanta kachesong bang king ton telang kula bang so alam thebang hala tum nang chini pen arti bang ke dopo asi chuningri thule thalo youtubers tapan ke social media active o tek muchot ki use tum laha hui tum bang ekdom la upload bang ke ekdom inton te dero na lalo to tang te non nili tame nut bhania video pu tek muchot alam ngani je la bang tuma video upload ikko so video long matlo nangli tum tame download pen nangli tum tame upload ang mi thang channel long upload ikami nang tum kadu gabe to tang te bang so lamarjan share it channel tum tame jorolo thanks for watching see you in the next video
Kadom, this is Sir Ronghangpi, Miss Assam First Runner of 2021. The reason why I have come live today is that I feel so hopeless and depressed after hearing the news that a minor Karbi girl have been burned down alive in the daylight in the Nagaur district of Assam. So, I strongly condemn the rape and brutal murder of late Sumila Ronghangpi. She was burned down alive by two men, Prakash Bardhakur and his son Nayanmani Bardhakur. And as per as the information I have received, that they have been kept under the police custody of Nagaur district. But this is all not we want. We want the culprit to be hanged till death. So for this, we must protest. So I kindly request the media of the state and the district level to highlight the fact that the culprit must be hanged till death. And I lastly request the people of Karbi, the entire people of Karbi, to fight unitedly and protest against it, because we want justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi.